Hello, June and Ken. Congratulations. This is the day and the moment that you are waiting for. I know everything in your relationship is now a perfect time of God. My wish to both of you is to continue to be humble, always be happy, a good siblings, and to taking care in the future. I'm blessed and I'm glad to be part of your life and journey. But both of you has a golden heart and you deserve to be happy. It is God's gift to both of you for being good to each other. To Ken, thank you so much for loving and taking care of my brother. Even though we don't have any memories yet, I believe as time goes by, we will make a memory to cherish. Welcome to our family. As a wife to my brother, pagtsagaan mo na lang yan. Huwag mo na isole, Kemi lang. But of course, both of you is lucky to being a partner. To my brother, you are the best and number one for me. And of course, God has got what we have left. In spite of our differences, we love, we share every pain, enjoy, and especially love to one another. Kumbaga, no choice nga raw kasi magkakapatid tayo. We're very proud na kahit wala sila mama, si papa sa tabi natin, we grown up as a good human being. And the most important in my life is I am the luckiest person and sister on earth because I have a brother like you. Always remember, putting God in the center is the best weapon for a faithful relationship of both of you. Be faithful and loving to one another. I know our many challenges and problems will come, but don't let that the reason for breaking your relationship. Always make a good and a right choice in your life. This is your choice. Will let your relationship be more stronger enough. Make a right and good start. And remember, this is another chapter of your life. God is always there to help both of you, guide and lead your family to help both of you. Just simply trust God. Again, congratulations. Our wishes be granted. We love both of you. God be with you and to your family until the end.